Hi friend, today I am showing you a travel video of Dubai country that you have never seen before.
Dubai is a city and emirate in the United Arab Emirates known for luxury shopping, ultra-modern architecture and a lively nightlife scene. Burj Khalifa, an 830 meters tall tower, dominates the skyscraper-filled skyline. At its foot lies Dubai Fountain, with jets and lights choreographed to music. On artificial islands just offshore is Atlantis, the Palm, a resort with water and marine animal parks. Watch this valuable video until the end.